I want to show you in this video how to get paid $500 for watching YouTube videos. A new strategy to earn free PayPal for watching simple and short video. How it's work, we are explained, and if you follow this video until the end, I will teach you how to set it up for free. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. It's a brand new website that pays you just to watch YouTube videos. It's totally free to sign up. They even have an app so you can even do it on your smartphone. All you have to do is that click on the video and watch the video and collect your earnings. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, bank transfer, and some payment options are also available. Now the main reason I want to write this today, I want to share with you that I feel all of us spend a lot of time watching YouTube videos. I don't know about you, but I personally spend hours a day for entertainment through YouTube, and obviously I often feel bad because this. I feel like I'm wasting my time. That's why I went out and spent countless hours researching the web and came across some platform that we've never talked about before. They're just for watching that video. YouTube pays you, so now you don't know have to spend hours a day. Don't waste watching funny YouTube videos because you will actually get paid for doing this. But before starting this tutorial, if you love to earn money online, then like this video. The website is called Paid Work. You can go to Google Play Store, search for this app, and then install it on your smartphone device, or if you use desktop like me, go directly to the website. Yes, you heard right, also on smartphone, and it's also available on the computer. And with this website you can actually get paid to do different things that you normally do every day. I'm going to show that in a minute, but as you can see, you can do it from your computer, phone, or earn your tablet online and get paid whenever you are without investment. It's all completely free. They also have their own app that you can install on your smartphone device. Earn money online with your phone too. Now on this page, they will explain you a little more about how the website works and other things, but all you have to do is after entering the website or after installing the app, just click on the register button here. Click and it will take you to a page where you can sign up for Google, Microsoft, either sign in or create a brand new free account by manually entering your email address and creating a password. And what this website is available worldwide, so they pay you no matter where you are in the world, but you should check if it works in your country or not. Once a free account is created on this website, this is what it looks like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earning and track your balance. You can see how much money you made today, how much money you made yesterday, how much money have you earned in the last 7 days and in the last months, and of course the income collection that you have earned with this website. On the left, you can click on the earned section here, and it will take you to a page where you can choose how you get paid. You can get paid for browsing website, watching video and watching ads, and this is a really good way to earn money online because it doesn't require much work on your part. It just requires a click and a button, click to watch a video or click to view an ad, and you don't have to spend hours doing some tasks like completing surveys or completing offers. You just click and you can do something else while your income increases on this website. And you can also get engaged on social media, get paid, and while this you can earn money by following people on Instagram. You can get paid for liking posts, liking YouTube videos, watching videos, commenting on it, etc. As you can see, they even have a special section they have where you can write review and also get paid for it. Also, you can fill surveys and other things. Now, I really don't recommend you to fill surveys and write review because it takes a lot of time and effort, but it's a pity that it pays you more money, but on the other hand takes a lot of time. So I prefer to just focus on browsing website, videos, ads, and leaving social media intersections so you can click the button earn money, click here under live on social media, and it will take you to a page where you can see exactly how you get paid and what you want to do and get paid. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.